Your boys pulled over. What's up, you guys? Big Daniel, Import Life Media, and today, oh yeah, we got a special guest. We got a special guest. We got C Breezy, flew in from Memphis, but right now we're at the Beehive in LA at JDM versus Euro. All the JDM cars, all the classics against all the Euros. So we're pretty much checking it out and seeing who's gonna be top dog, see who's gonna be king of the streets, JDM or Euros. Let's check it out, y'all. It looks, I don't even know how big this place is, but it just keeps going. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Let's get it in. I got a question for C Breezy. Let's see. Hey, so we just walked in. Yeah. We're not too deep. As of right now, from what you've seen, right? So from what you've seen, who's taking over so far, JDM or the Euros?
Honestly, I think all those Dodges over there, dog.
The Dodges?
All these Dodges over here.
The Chargers and Challengers?
All the Chargers, Challengers, Hellcats. They're looking nice right there. I think they might have killed the show, bro. I think they might have killed the show. Dan Rue will agree.
Mopar's taking over? Hey, I'm not biased. He said it. All right, don't.
Yeah, I said it. I said it.
All right, y'all, let's get back to it. Hey man, for all you guys watching right now, why haven't you liked and subscribed? I'm out here in African heat right now, being Africanized. I don't know how I feel about it. Okay. Anyway, like and subscribe, man. Let's keep this going. Hey, rolling on 8s.
I definitely rock one of these.
Hey, it's hard.
I definitely rock one of these. It's different. Filled with tools. You need your car what's on. Don't worry, grasshopper's on its way. That's so sick, bro. Old grasshopper.
That's dope. Well, RIP to Tupac. RIP Tupac. The car that he got shot in. how'd you know it's right-hand drive?
Turbo's on that side.
Okay, but look at this though.
Well, it flips.
Okay, maybe, but with two JZs, the manifold's on that side.
That's not a 2J.
I know, but I'm just saying.
That's R20.
With two J's, I know the turbo's on this side, manifold's on that side. With RBs, turbo's on this side, manifold's on this side.
All in the engine bay.
I don't know, dude. I don't know if that's real or not. That might just be the model of the car, dude.
No, brake booster is on this side. Turbo's gonna be on that side. Brake booster on this side. Turbo has to be on this side. The hot side of the turbo is gonna eat your braking system.
So this fool's been a mechanic for like his life, so I might be losing his argument. We'll see what's up. I'm gonna check into that. Okay, what is it? What is it, huh?
Hey, I don't know Hondas, bro. I just know they go fast as shit now.
Little rocket. Anyway, it's always good running familiar faces, good people, and friends, man.
Hell yeah.
It's crazy on how you can meet people just based on your love and passion for vehicles. Absolutely. And they end up clicking up and just becoming your people. You know what I'm saying? Absolutely. So, yep. He invited me to his baby shower, but he ain't got no babies. Hey, there's so many pockets here. Like, you go, and then you think you see all the cars, boom, another pocket. Cars, boom, more pockets. And then now, we're about to enter this building. You might be right. You might be right. Brake booster, and then the turbo will go right here. Always opposite, right? Oh, yeah. Alright, so what am I looking at? Gold carbon fiber full wide body. Gold carbon fiber wide body. I said, out of all the vehicles here so far, there's a lot of nice, very clean, very expensive cars, but I think this one right here might be the most expensive car here, and I don't even know what I'm looking at. That's what's crazy. see the color change in it.
That's the real midnight purple.
Yeah, because it's more purple over there.
And then you get a
it's
little
over
blue.
there.
This is the real midnight purple.
Damn, how many of these did they make?
Not a lot.
Frustrated, man. It's hot. Like I said, we're out here in LA, man, California. But like and subscribe, man. You guys haven't done so yet? Man, we over here reunited with people, showing you guys good cars. As of right now, leave in the comment section. So far, out of all the cars that I've shown you, who's winning so far? JDM or the Euros? There's a little bit of everything here, man. I've seen, damn, this. Look at this one, look at this.
Yeah, we didn't take it back to the 90s. Hey, what you know about this, hey? This is not a remix, though. It's a booty remix.
You can't do it.
I don't know. I'm fucking golf, bro.
Car's a little bit too low, a little bit too low.
Hey, let me get out from behind that wheel, bro. You've been there for a minute, bro.
Dude, look at all these cars that are backed up because of that. Look. All right, y'all. JDM versus Euro. It was a dope event, man. Hey, truthfully, there was dope cars on both sides. A lot of vintage vehicles, a lot of custom built vehicles. Who do you think got it? The JDM vehicles or the Euros? On behalf of me, Big Daniel, see Breezy's big head. Where's he at? Oh,
Right here, just trying to pump balls out.
I don't know what he said. He almost sounded like he was getting ready to have a stroke. I'm right here. Anyway, so we out here, man. Make sure to like and subscribe right now. We in LA walking the streets, trying to get some gas money. So
Daniel's gonna take his shirt off right now, walk down Figueroa.
why you telling everybody my business, dog?
Hey man, we gotta make it to San Bernardino some kind of way.
Anyway, y'all, hey, listen, man, be good to yourself, be good to other people, get those cars built, and I'm gonna let Chris leave you guys with some a nice piece of advice.
Don't buy a Dodge. Don't buy a Dodge. At least buy a car and build the car instead of just buying it already built.
Damn, dog, hey, who hurt you, man? What happened? All right.
Tired of the Dodgers, bro.
Okay. Anyway, y'all, man, I appreciate you guys. Check out the episode. Tune in for more. Peace. All right, man. Leaving on our way back and hopping on the freeway, saw CHP and there was a BMW. I was like, I hope the BMW saw the CHP, so you know what I mean, they don't start speeding. And all of a sudden the cop starts to go past me and then went side by side and just slowed down. So I slowed down, switched lanes. He slowed down even more, got behind me, and yeah. Your boys pulled over.
Don't got us.
He got me for well, he pulled us over because he said no front license plate. I don't know, the truck never had one when I bought it, and tinted windows on the freeway. So I don't know, we'll see what happens, y'all. But a day in the life. What an adventure. It's food, man.
We're not done yet.
Man, you bad luck, dog.
I ain't bad luck. That ain't on me. Wasn't that on me.
I don't never get pulled over. All of a sudden, you're with me. And all right, man. I'll tap back in with you guys in a second. Back on the road, they gave me a ticket. He said, I'm gonna give you a break on the front license plate, but I'm gonna go and give you a ticket for that tint. All right, dog. And then after that, it's crazy. Right after the cops gave me a ticket, the one that was driving, he looked like some rookie type, you know what I mean? Just super adamant.
Wet.
Yeah. But his partner, who was also CHP, who was a motorcycle, they started talking to me. The motorcycle cop dude was cool as hell, you know what I mean? And then the one that was being kind of, not, he wasn't being aggressive, but, you know what I mean, super chill. Then they both started loosening up. So I'm like, y'all sure you don't want to just give me a warning, man? Like, I'm cool, dog, and smiling, laughing, and giggling, but by then, the damage was done, you know? I'm not gonna cry. I ain't no. Did you see me cry?
I might have seen a little bit. I seen the water droplet there. It just didn't fall, bro. So you might be cool. You might be cool.
It was pollen in the air, man. It was pollen. JDM Euro. Gotta love it. I did this for y'all, man. For y'all. Y'all better like and subscribe for real now.